Hornet. Come here.
They're all there.
Oh, how did he zap me like that? Oh, bitch. People, I'm sure there's people. Or is it just these cunts and we're just getting lit up by them? I'm sure there's fucking
That might be
real
me
people.
being shooting.
No, there's people. Top of the library.
Deal with the arc first. One down. There's three.
Right, Ark dead. They're sniping.
They're
Use that
pushing.
Osprey.
I'm putting mine on.
Downed one.
Where is he? Whoa,
Give me a
whoa, whoa,
second.
whoa, get shot from the left.
From where?
Straight
They're like
down.
in the breachable room.
He's above. Opposite side of the train. He's nearly dead.
He's running down. Oh no, it's Tumbleweed.
Oh, is it me?
Oh no, he's at the bottom.
Got one. I'm getting him. One sec, hold him there.
There's a fucking shield now.
Where is he?
He was in this train. Oh, I can't fuck.
He's there. He's
Where?
on the train with me. On the top of the train.
I hit him.
Down here, Charlie, on my side. He's one shot.
How's that not killed
I
him?
don't know how
Wait,
he
no, I've
wasn't
got him.
one
I've got him.
shot.
I got him. Let's get you up.
Bitch.
Mate, I honestly don't even know where he went, right? Because I checked around the train and then all of a sudden he climbed up on the back of the fucking train.
He has shield.
Watch it, you've got a Hornet and a Waspin coming. Flying over now.
Mate, I wonder if that other guy got out.
He had a raider
What,
key.
the third one?
He might have.
So, he was close to the fucking thing, wasn't he?
Ha! Dickhead.
Did they have all decent, like, or what?
I ain't even
No.
checked this kid, I'll tell you now.
I have. It's not decent.
Kettle 1. It's practical. It's not a free kick. May as well be. Here,
Innit?
Jordan.
Hey,
Jordan,
do you want this Serenity blueprint?
Jordan, come take all this off this guy's shit. He's got
I can't.
he's got snow globe. He's got loads of shit to sell on him. Look what
I'm
he's
already
got.
there then, bro. I'm good.
I know, but you
I'll
may as well
take
take
his-
it just in case because you're going to be using guns and shit. So
Snow globe,
get the extra. There's no way he crawled out.